Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. If you've been thinking about starting an online store, you've probably heard of Shopify. But did you know they're offering a starter plan for just $1 per month? That's right, today I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Shopify's super affordable starter plan and whether it's worth it. Also guys, if you want this deal for $1 a month for any plan, you can check out the link in the description of this video. Right, so Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platforms in the world, and their starter plan is a new deal that lets you set up a simple online store for just $1 a month for first 3 months. So if you're looking to dip your toes into e-commerce without breaking the bank, this might be the perfect opportunity. The starter plan is ideal for anyone just getting into selling online. You can easily create a store, add products, and start selling on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even through direct links. It's designed to be simple, so you don't have to worry about the technical stuff. But what exactly do you get with the starter plan? First, you get access to Shopify's core features, like product listings, a simple storefront, and secure payments processing. However, the plan is pretty basic. It doesn't include a full website with advanced customization options, like the higher tier Shopify plans. So here are the pros. It's super affordable. At just $1 per month for the first 3 months, you can quickly set up a storefront and start selling, plus you get the reliable payment options Shopify is known for, like credit cards and PayPal. But there are some trade-offs. You won't get a full-fledged website or advanced features like analytics, inventory management, or apps that higher tier plans offer. If you find success with the starter plan, you can always upgrade to one of the Shopify's more feature-rich plans, like Basic or Shopify Plus, which unlock more customization, better reporting tools, and a full website for your brand. So who is this plan for? If you're just starting out, want to sell a few products, or primarily use social media for sales, Shopify's starter plan could be a great fit, especially for just $1 a month to test the waters. But if you're looking to scale up quickly or need a fully customizable website, you might want to consider upgrading sooner rather than later. So what do you think? Is the $1 starter plan enough to get you started on Shopify? Or are you looking for more features right from the start? Let me know in the comments below, guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and reviews on all things e-commerce and tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.